Hello students, welcome back to our channel Diksha Karnataka. So as you all know, your COMEDK exam is approaching. So here we have started a series where we are discussing the previous year papers. So in this video, I'll be discussing the COMEDK paper of the year 2022. So in this video, it consists of the first 30 questions, that is from question number 1 to question number 30, part 1. Okay. So let us see with the first question. So in this video, I'll be telling you like which were the high weightage topics from where the questions had come and how easily you can solve it. These questions we'll be discussing. Okay. So the question paper PDF will be available in the WhatsApp channel, and the link of the WhatsApp channel will be there in the description section of our video. Okay. So please go watch it and then join the WhatsApp channel and try solving previous year questions. It is very, very important to understand the level of questions that were asked in the previous exams. Okay. So coming to the first question. So the first question is from your deleted syllabus. Okay. That is your, I think, chemistry in everyday life. This one. Gas is unstable at cooking temperature, whereas the control of sweetness of food is difficult while using. So aspartame is a sugar, is artificial sugar, which is unstable at cooking, and the sweetness of the food cannot be controlled for allitame. Okay. So correct answer for this question is option number C. Next, the chemical formula of Lucas reagent. So this question is from your alcohols chapter. Very easy question. We know anhydrous ZnCl2 and HCl, then it is used for testing of alcohols, right? Test to primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Next, give the correct order of acidity. Okay, so this question is from your P block, group 17. Okay, this is also now deleted. Okay. So now what is there, but we can do this question because it is something related to concepts. Okay, even if you don't have studied this chapter, you will be able to do this question. So we know that oxidation state, okay, is directly proportional to acidic character. So please note down this point here. Okay, so more is the oxidation state, more will be the acidic character. So if you see here, HClO4 has oxidation state of +7, HClO3 has +5, then HClO2 has +3, and this one is your +1, right? So once as the number of oxidation number is increasing, the acidic character will also increase. So the correct answer for this question will be option number B. Next, okay, this question is also from surface chemistry, that is your deleted syllabus. The process of aggregation of colloidal particles into an insoluble precipitate by the addition of suitable electrolyte is called as coagulation. Okay, correct answer is option number A. Next, so this is again from your haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay, so one of the important topic. Alkyl halides undergo SN2 reaction to inverse. Okay, so now if you know, in SN2 reactions there is always no intermediate is formed, a transition state is formed and the inverse product is formed, right? So what happens to the configuration? Inversion of configuration. Correct answer is option number D. Next, okay, so this is your name like one reaction based question. So it is from your from both aldehydes chapters and then it is also from your amines chapter. Okay. So first of all, when you add HCl, this is nucleophilic addition reaction, hydrocyanic acid, we get cyanohydrin is formed, right? So the first product will be CH3, COH and Cn, and then we have C2H5. Now why when you add this one has become CH2NH2, so reduction of Cn group has taken place, so reduction of this one can be done with lithium aluminium hydride. Okay, so the correct answer for this question will be option number C. Okay, next, okay, so this question is also from your semiconductors, that is solids chapter, which is again deleted portion. Doping of silicon with indium leads to the formation of, so doping of silicon will lead to your p-type semiconductor. Okay, you might have studied in physics also. Correct answer is option number C. Next, okay, so now this question is from chemical equilibrium. Okay, Le-Chatelier principle, one of the most important topic in chemical equilibrium and easy and scoring topic. So reaction of H2 plus I2 gives us 2Hi. The question is, the position of equilibrium can be shifted towards right, means forward direction we have to go. Among the following, what we can do. So now if you add Hi, right? If you add Hi, product concentration is increasing. So product concentration, if it increases, equilibrium shift in a direction to reduce the concentration of the products. So that is why reaction will shift in backward direction. Okay, so this cannot be the answer. Addition of both I2 and HI. So if we add I2, reaction will go in forward direction, but addition of HI will again do it in backward direction. So this one cannot be there. Increasing the temperature. So here there is no mention whether it is endothermic or exothermic. So we cannot tell whether temperature increase or decrease will affect the reaction in which way. But you see, addition of I2. If we add I2, reaction, the concentration of the reactant is increasing. So reaction will try to reduce the concentration of the reactant, and the reaction will shift in forward direction, or the equilibrium will shift in forward direction to reduce the effect of the change that has been introduced. So the correct answer for this question will be option number D. Next, which of the following are not path functions? So you know Q and W. These two are path function, others all are state functions. So that is why you have H and TS and Q plus W. So 1 and 4. That is correct answer is option number D. Next, the system that forms maximum boiling azeotrope. So maximum boiling azeotrope means it should have negative deviation. This you should remember. And negative deviation means the intermolecular forces should increase, right? Intermolecular attraction should increase. So if you see acetone and chloroform, when we add acetone and chloroform, the intermolecular forces increases, there is a negative deviation, and that is why it will show maximum boiling azeotrope. Correct answer is option number A. So please remember, you should remember the examples for ideal, non-ideal solutions, again in non-ideal positive, negative deviations, and then again azeotrope, maximum and minimum boiling azeotrope. Their examples you must remember from the NCERT book. Okay. Next. Okay. KMnO4 acts as an oxidizing agent in the acidic medium. Okay. The number of moles of KMnO4 that will be required to react with 1 mole of oxalate ions in the acidic solution is. Okay. So this question is little important one. First you should know how to write the reaction. So first of all you have to remember KMnO4 is an oxidizing agent, so itself it will get reduced, right? So MnO4 minus, see, MnO4 minus will get reduced to Mn2 plus. Okay. Now you can balance this reaction. So this is plus 7 here, plus 7 to plus 2, that is reduction, gain of electrons. So how many electrons have been gained? 5 electrons are gained. Then you can see here 4 water. So you can add here 4 water, and then it will be 8H plus. Okay. Now oxalate ions C2O4 2 minus, right? C2O4 2 minus. What is the oxidation state of carbon here? Plus 3, right? If you calculate 2x minus 8 is equal to minus 2. So x will be equal to plus 3, right? So C2O4 minus will get reduced, so this is reducing, it is oxidizing agent, so it will get oxidized to CO2, right? So here the oxidation state of carbon is plus 4. Plus 3 to plus 4, for 1 carbon the number of electrons required is 1. There are 2 carbons here, so there will be 2 electrons required, right? So now we have to balance, we'll balance this one, oxygen is already balanced. So now we have to just balance the number of electrons. So multiply this equation with 2, I'll multiply this equation with 2 and this equation with 5, and we will add the 2 equations. So after adding, I'll get 2 MnO4 minus, okay, then 10 electron will get cancelled, we have 16H plus. Then this side we have 5 C2O4 2 minus. Okay, that gives you, we have again 2 Mn2 plus we have 8 water. Okay, and then we have here 10 carbon dioxide. Okay, so now if you see this equation, we can say that 5 moles of C2O4 2 minus, 5 moles of C2O4 2 minus are oxidized by 2 moles of MnO4 minus, right? Now the question is asking you to react with 1 mole of oxalate ion. So for 1 mole of oxalate ion, it will be 2 by 5 moles of MnO4 minus, So the correct answer for this question is option number A, that is 2 by 5. Okay. So please check this question. If you have any doubt in this question, you can comment down. I'll explain it again in my next video. Next. Okay. So this one is your following reaction is there. Okay. So this is very easy reaction. You can see first what has happened. CH2Br. Br is added to the carbon having more number of hydrogen, that is anti-Marconic addition. So that is HBr and peroxide. So HBr peroxide is there in option number B and C. So we can eliminate A and D. Okay. Then we have your, this one is just what, it is the replacement. What we have done here is Br is changing to OH, that is substitution reaction. So here we need aqueous KOH. Okay. This option please change it. This is aqueous KOH. Okay. So we just need here aqueous KOH. So the correct answer for this question will be option number B. Okay. So we have to change this option here, that is aqueous KOH. Okay. Next, which of the following is a false statement? Okay. So let us see the false statement here. Ethoxymethane has higher boiling point than ethanol. So ethoxymethane, if you see the structure is CH3, CH2O, CH3, right? This is ethoxymethane. Since ethanol has hydrogen bonding, the boiling point or the intermolecular forces is very high. Boiling point will be higher. But here there is no hydrogen bonding, so boiling point will be lower. But the statement given is false. So the correct answer for this statement for this question will be option number A. Okay, very simple one. Next, which of the following molecules does not exist dipole moment? Means the net dipole moment should be 0. So if you see CCl4, this is a tetrahedral molecule, its dipole moment is 0. CO2 is a linear molecule, its dipole moment is 0. NH3 has dipole moment, CHCl3 has dipole moment because there is one H, which like all the four groups are different. All the four groups are not same here. H2O due to lone pair, it is having also bent molecule. This also is bent molecule. So 1 and 2, so correct answer for this question will be option number C. Next, which of the following is highly basic? So questions on basicity and acidic order is very common. You will get many of questions from there. So just prepare it properly, understand the concept behind it. Okay. So diphenyl basicity means the tendency of the nitrogen to donate electrons, right? So the more it can donate electron, more basic it will be. So now if you see the structure, we have diphenylamine. So diphenylamine amine structure will be this one. Okay. And then we have benzylamine. So benzylamine is CH2NH2. And then we have aniline, which here this is NH2. And then it is triphenylamine. So you have N with 3 pH. Okay. So this is your structure of option A. This is B, this is C, and then this is D. Now, if you see highest basicity order, the lone pair of nitrogen should be localized. Okay, it should be available for donation. So, if you see this nitrogen lone pair is involved in resonance with all the 3 phenol group, and here this nitrogen lone pair is involved in resonance. This nitrogen lone pair is also involved in resonance. But if you see benzylamine, this lone pair of nitrogen is free and can be donated for basicity. So, the highest basic compound will be your benzylamine. That is your option number B. Okay, next question. The relation between work done in reversible and irreversible processes. So work done in reversible is always greater than work done in irreversible process. So the correct answer for this question will be option number B. Okay. Next, what is the function of platelet? So this is again you can say from biomolecules. It helps from coagulation of the blood. So correct answer for this question is option number D. Okay, next. The monosaccharides of maltose. So this question is again from your biomolecules chapter. So maltose is a disaccharide made up of alpha D glucose and alpha D glucose. Okay. Correct answer is option number A. You should also practice for sucrose, lactose, okay, and maltose. These 3 disaccharides, and in polysaccharides you should prepare for starch, glycogen, okay, and cellulose. So they are monosaccharide units, they are connecting carbon numbers, you should remember. Okay. Next, which of the following does not affect the solubility of a gas in a liquid? So solubility of a gas depends on the nature, pressure and temperature. Which it doesn't depend is your concentration. Okay, there is no saturation when gas is dissolved in a liquid. So the correct answer for this question will be option number C. Next, which of the following statement is incorrect for H2O2 structure? So this is again from your deleted syllabus, that is group 16. So H2O2 structure, if you know, the structure is like this. Okay. So it has an open book structure. This is correct. This statement is correct. It has a dihedral angle of 180 degree. This is incorrect. So the incorrect statement here is option number B. Okay. Correct answer for this question will be option number B. Now let us see the next question. A newly prepared radioactive nuclide has a decay constant of 6.93 second inverse. What is the half-life of the nuclide? So this is very easy question from your kinetics chapter. So we know all the radioactive decays are first order reaction, and for first order reaction half-life formula is T half is equal to 0.693 by K, right? So K value is 6.93 here. So 0.693 by 6.93. Okay. So the value will be 0.1. Correct answer for this question is option number A. Next, which of the following shows both Frenkel and Schottky defect? So this question is also from your solids chapter, that is your deleted portion. So AGBR shows both Frenkel and Schottky defect. Correct answer is option number B. Okay, next, the essential amino acids. So this question is from biomolecules. So you must remember essential and non-essential examples of amino acids. So leucine and valine are your essential amino acids. So correct answer is 1 and 4, that is option number D. Okay, next, the increasing order of oxygen and its bond order of oxygen and its ions is. So bond order, many questions have come. So we know that if 14, so if we have the total electrons, okay, can use this trick to calculate the bond order. If 14 is total number of electrons, then the bond order will be 3. For 15 it will be 2.5. For 16 it is 2, for 17 it is 1.5, and for 18 it is 1. Okay. So now if you just calculate for all, we have these species, that is O2, O2 minus, and O2 2 minus, and O2 plus. Okay. So O2 will have 8 plus 8, 16. So for 16 the bond order will be 2, right? Then O2 plus will have 8 plus 8, 16 minus 1, 15. So for 15 the bond order is 2.5. Okay. Then O2 minus is 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17. So for 17 it is 1.5, and for O2 minus it is 1. So total number of electrons is 18, so it is 1. So if we see now, so the value will be O2, 2 minus will have the least bond order, then O2 minus, then O2, and then O2 plus. So the correct answer for this question will be option number D. Next, the minimum number of nodes present in are, okay. So total number of nodes formula is n minus 1, right? So for this, for option number A, the total number of nodes will be 2 minus 1, that is n minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. For option number B, it is 3 minus 1, that is 2. For option number C, it is 4 minus 1, that is 3. And for option number D, it will be 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. So the lowest number of nodes is present in 2s, that is option number A. Next, the pH of 10 to the power of minus 3 solution of KOH is. So this is very simple question from your ionic equilibrium. So if you remember, the relation between pH plus POH is equal to 14, right? Now the KOH concentration, so OH minus concentration is 10 to the power of minus 3. So if I take POH, that is minus log of OH minus concentration minus log of 10 to the power of minus 3. So the value here we will get is 3. So POH value is 3, that means, that implies pH will be equal to 11. So the correct answer for this question will be option number C. Next. Okay, so this is again from your chemistry in everyday life, that is deleted portion. So barbiturates are used to treat one disease, that is your depression. Okay, correct answer for this question is option number D. Next, which of the following product is not possible in Woods reaction? So if you remember, in Woods reaction we have Rx in presence of Na ether, okay, we get Rr. Right? So the minimum number of carbon in the product has to be 2. Okay, you cannot have a product with carbon less than 2. So the option number 1, that is methane, we cannot produce a product with carbon with 1 carbon in the Woods reaction. So the correct answer for this question will be option number A. Next, The color of CrO4 2- changes to Cr2O7 2- is. So we know when we add acid, this changes from orange, from yellow to orange, right? So the correct answer for this question is option number A. Next, on treatment of glucose with bromine water, the product formed is. So bromine water is a mild oxidizing agent. Okay, so it converts the CHO group to COOH group. Okay, so that is a gluconic acid. Correct answer for this question is option number B. Okay, so these were the first 30 questions of your COMEDK 2022 examination. So just try this question. If you have any doubt, you can leave comment. We'll address it in the next video. So thank you. If you have found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.